Dis Martin MacIntyre, who abides in Edinburgh now, where him and his wife made their home over 30 years back, and where they brought up their family. Martin grew up in Lindsay, no far from Glasgow, and then, on leaving the high school, gaed to Aberdeen University. His mum was for Glasgow and his father for South Uist. He bide in Stilligary with his grandfolk afore coming out to Glasgow to be with the rest of the family and to start to school at the age of 7. So Martin would be kent in Uist as Podrig O'Buchali's boy, and the wider family as Clan O'Buchali. His great-grandfather, Donald MacDonald, was a herdsman. He was kent in his native Benbecula as Donald, Boy O'Piri John, or John, or Red-Headed Donald. He grew up in Muir O'Aird. Martin left the school in Lindsay to ging to Aberdeen University. Yon was 1983 and he studied medicine there before graduating in 1988. He now works as a out-of-hours GP around the Lothian area. He's been at that for over 20 years now, and he thoroughly enjoys it. They're a good team. He might say that he started scriving on that very day in 1992, when he forced himself to sit in the computer room at Savile Marostig, Scotland's Gaelic college, where he was a student, to make a story that, if posted on time, would ging in for the first Willem Ross writing competition. Fortunately, he was successful, and he's never looked back. The company, Clar, published at Achney a collection of short stories in Gaelic and English as part of a new fiction scheme, Ur School, in August 2003. It was launched at the Edinburgh International Book Festival, and at Achney, Dan won the Salter First Book Award later that year. This helped boost Martin's confidence and encouraged him to keep at the scriving. He's now finished 8 works of fiction and 3 collections of poetry, and more is in progress. After a gap of 16 years, he launched 12 volumes of poetry this year. The first, A Ruth Eder the Dragon, running atween 2 dragons, was inspired by experiences and feelings when visiting Catalonia and Wales between 2019 and 2020. Each poem of the book is available in Gaelic, Catalan, Welsh and English. Noelia Diaz Vicedo and Ifor ap Glyn took it with the fine our settings to Catalan and Welsh. This year saw the publication as well of poems chiefly the English dialect, a collection of poems Martin's been making over many years, and as the title suggests, they're mostly in English. But Gaelic, Scots and Spanish is there and a. He very much enjoys telling stories live, and many of these for the Gaelic tradition. He gives them both in Gaelic and English, and does this in a range of settings, both on muckler and more intimate stages.
Maar tjolach de fieper. Ag sé chantje dúa ach pieper in uist. Ach yn union efo 4 eulach, or as geharis de dúni as na miainen an an uistjes. Sé fach gorra ach pieper in varnish, hjumskort de voedach, en se velle idde velle denjen varnish, velle as de marhoosmen skide na miainen. Analyses. Agus for truth vrarna at heen se nahef har a marriage belwich. Agus for gish behinne foasach in na is piepelig. Wat chomas cho enema funne do.
He's most awful blithe to be working anew on a book of Celtic myths for bairns aged 7 to 9. It's made him look more closely at stories he already kent, but also seek other Celtic stories to complement them. This book shall be ours set into mony tongues. He really hopes Gaelic will be one of them. He was pleased to be an ambassador for the Scottish Poetry Library between 2021 and 2023, and to be the first Gaelic writer-in-residence at the University of Edinburgh for 2 years until September 2024. Both positions give him chances to encourage others to write, and to promote and raise the status of Gaelic literature in these two important institutions.
Nach piana te regina tu, Shaetlan te sur hanner knie, Came vo him et Maria, Speech to speech volle der Schleer, steht neu heimisch, Santiago, paso a paso, pasos de mi camino, respeto, a vosotros en nuestro camino, camino San Jaime.